Hey guys, so we're not actually filming, as you can tell, on my GoPro because we're going to go to Volcano Bay today. So we're not going to film because you can't really film on the actual slides and stuff. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy it and then yeah, we'll film later and catch up with you. But yeah, I look like a mess right now, but I need to wash my hair, so and I look like a right egg, so please excuse me. Yeah, we're gonna quickly get breakfast and then we're gonna get an Uber. So yeah, we'll see you later. Bye. What you got? Food.
They're called crispy corn chicken teardrop fritters. Basically potato and chicken.
Oh, nice. You had a nice swim. Oh, I love that. Thanks. Thank you. What is it? You alright? Oh. Nice. Oh, I'll try it. Thanks.
Off we go.
Hi guys, so we've just got back from Volcano Bay from the morning, got back to the resort and freshened up, and now we're ready for drinking around the world with our little drinking around the world tops.
Wasn't a rush because we was trying to get Guardians booked, but somebody got the times wrong. Yeah,
I thought the virtual queue was from 2 and not 1. So obviously we got back around 12:30 and we wouldn't have made it. So instead I thought, well, we need to make sure we get on the ride. So I just booked a lightning lane, $15. So for 2 of us it came to like 20 quid, which was, I mean, I want to ride it, so I don't care.
I mean, what, you checked the queue time, it was like 320 minutes.
Yeah, like wait, just in the virtual queue. So we might not even get it because we've got a reservation tonight as well. So
knowing our luck, would get it when the reservations.
yeah, so we've just done it, and I'm excited, and we're gonna drink around the world. So yeah, I'm excited for that. But yeah, we're gonna let you know how that goes. So yeah, we'll see you when we're in Epcot. Bye. I've just had to go back to the resort from the bus because we were about to get on the bus to Epcot, and the driver was like, looked at our tops and was like, oh, conquering the world one drink at a time. I hope you guys got your ID. And I went, oh my god, I haven't got my ID. So I'm a drip, and I had to go back and get my ID so I can actually drink around the world. And now I'm sweating. So yeah, Connor's just waiting for me. Obviously he's gonna be well happy that I forgot. But yeah, so luckily our Cosmic Rewind isn't till 3:50 and it's currently 2:30, so we've got time because our resort's really close to Epcot, luckily. But yeah, so yeah, it's my first mare of the day. Yeah, so I'll see you again when I actually get to Epcot. Bye. Oh wow, it's all the flower and garden piece listing. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, no. Wow.
It's massive.
Hi guys, so we finally arrived at Epcot, finally.
Yeah.
Someone forgot their ID. Yeah. So plan is just go have a look around really first. Just got a few photo opportunities already. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then we've got at 3:50 is our Cosmic Rewind. So yeah, we'll keep you posted on what we do.
Wait about until then, have some shops and stuff.
Yeah, if there's any like quick rides, we might do that. But yeah,
that's fine.
So, should we do that?
Yeah.
Right, well, we're doing Spaceship Earth. Bye.
Fruit bar.
Ooh.
Strawberry flavoured strawberry.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. We just got off Spaceship Earth. It's pretty cool. For a walk on as well. But Connor's feeling a bit nauseous, so he just needs a little sugar rush. So yeah, we're just having a little sit down and snack, and then we're waiting for Cosmic Rewind now. So yeah, and then we'll probably just have a look at a few shops and then see what else we can get done.
It's that guy. With clean lines and a key. Go on, introduce yourself. Have you forgotten who I am?
Excited, Con?
Yeah.
Excited.
Greetings, Terrence. At this time, we ask that you please continue moving forward, filling in all of the available transport.
So excited.
This way we
I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share...
Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome.
Hi guys. So we've come off Guardians Cosmic Rewind. Connor's favourite now.
Best ride ever.
We got I Run. Was it the song?
Yeah. I Ran.
Yeah, I know a lot of people don't really like that one, but I think it really went with like the ride, like the theming of it, like proper 80s. I really enjoyed it. But yeah, no, really good ride.
Unbelievable.
So good. And it was literally like, to me, it felt like Crash's Coaster, like, but on steroids.
Oh yeah.
Like, it was just...
The ride not going upside down, it was incredible.
Yeah, really good. Very, very well done. And we did get a lightning lane for that. We just bought it. We thought, well, in case we don't get like the queue.
Well worth it.
Yeah, we thought, well, just get the lightning lane. So yeah, we're happy we got it. Finally done it. And then yeah, we went to go to queue up for Ratatouille, and the ride actually broke down. And because we stayed in the queue for like 5 minutes, we'd only been there for like 15 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. Yeah. We got a lightning lane pass, which we thought, oh great, we can use that for like pretty much anything. Looked, and it was actually Nemo ride,
Ratatouille.
Figment,
And then
or
any other like small dinky
yeah, like
ride.
Living with the Land. That was literally it. So you had no Frozen, no Test Track, no obviously Cosmic Rewind, and no Soaring.
Oh, great.
So yeah, that was great. But yeah, at least we got a fast pass. So the plan is to hopefully go on that later if it comes back up and use it then. But yeah, we're just waiting now. We've got about 15 minutes till we go to our reservation. Yeah, so we'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. This is going to be messy. I don't even know where to start. Where is it?
It looks so nice.
I have to eat this. Wow.
Nice.
Yeah. Wow.
What was that called again?
Stados de pollo.
Nice.
Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah. So I got, what was it, ribeye taco? And then your one is
A chicken enchilada.
chicken enchilada. Nice. Unreal.
This place is so good.
Recommend?
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's your favourite so far then?
Yeah. Nothing ever comes close to it.
Alright, let's tuck in then. So we've just finished with our reservation. It was San Angel or something like that. The Mexican restaurant, which is unreal. 10/10.
10 out of 10, best thing I've ever eaten.
If you like a Mexican, recommend.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just in China now, and we've just grabbed a drink. What did we get?
Kung Fu Punch, I think it's called.
Kung Fu Punch.
Yeah.
So off you go, first drink of the night.
That's quite nice.
Is it?
Yeah, lovely.
Let me try. Oh, that's well nice.
Yeah, it's quite nice though.
Oh, yeah, it's got like, I think vodka, mango,
oranges in it.
Orange as well, yeah.
I think it might have peach schnapps.
Oh.
Yeah, 10
I
out of
like
10.
that. And we've got our little passport from Castle and Globe. Really cute. So yeah, that's gonna go on our list. Our drink. So yeah.
I said wheat beer, which I didn't want.
So we're in Germany at the moment, and Connor's got his beer.
Got a Beck's.
I'm not a beer lover, so this one's just for Con. Nice.
Pretty solid beer, to be fair. Okay.
What kind of beer is it?
I don't know what the specific one is, but it's a light beer.
A light beer.
That's what it's called, a light beer.
A light beer.
You've got wheat beer, dark, and the other one was a grapefruit beer, which looked quite interesting, but I thought you can't really fiddle with light beers. You just got to go plain and simple. So,
Fair enough. Well, so we're going to put light beer in this.
no, Beck's.
Beck's. Beck's?
Beck's. B-E-C-K.
Whatever he said. What rating would you give that?
What, out of 5?
Yeah.
4? 3, 4 out of 5? 4. Oh, 4. It's solid
A 4?
beer. Yeah, it's nice.
A 4. On to the next. Right, so we've got the Italian margarita. I don't like margaritas, but there weren't much choice. So
You don't like anything in a margarita?
yeah. So I'm just gonna try it anyway. It's like a slushy kind of version. So hopefully I like it a little bit. Right. Ooh, it's actually not that bad. I think it's because it's like a slush version. I think if it was like a normal, like liquid drink, I wouldn't like it. But no, it's actually alright.
Give me a little taste.
I actually quite like that. I would give that a 4.
Out of 5?
Yeah, 4 out of 5. I actually quite like that. It wasn't as good as the Kung Fu Panda Punch. Go on, give it a go.
Oh, that is nice.
I told you it's nice.
That is
That is good.
unbelievable.
It's because it's like a slush
That is a 5
version.
out of 5, mothers.
5 out of 5. Well, I'm going to put a 4.
Well, no, but on the book, you can write down both the drink twice.
Yeah.
With mine and your opinions.
See, you're just clever. That's the only time I'm ever going to say
But
that.
Beck's, with a beer, you got to write 0 because you don't like beer.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Alright, well, into Italy. You've done good.
It's Garden Rocks, and we're here with the one and only Element Band! So...
Right. Bayou cocktail.
The Bayou cocktail. It's strong, isn't it?
That is strong.
Strong.
I would probably haven't mixed it in very well, but... There's lots of ice in there. Still really strong.
Strong, isn't it?
Doesn't help it at all.
What would you rate it?
3?
3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Just a
mean,
bit-
I agree with that.
It's a bit too strong.
I agree with that.
Too strong to enjoy it.
And that's the Bayou at America. And it was $12.99, I think. So yeah, it's alright. Wasn't the best, but yeah, that's alright.
We get a green one? Oh my god, look how cute it is!
We've just come off Ratatouille. How'd you find it?
So good. It weren't as good as the one in Paris, but I love Ratatouille. So.
Yeah, I think Paris is a lot longer than that. It felt really short actually, didn't it?
Yeah. There
But
was some
yeah.
cool effects that weren't at
Oh yeah. We thought, well, we have to do it this trip, and we got
the lightning lane. So
yeah, we got a lightning
took
lane.
10 minutes to get on from the start.
Yeah,
There's quite a big queue in the lightning lane as well. So.
yeah, it was, but it didn't take too long. But yeah, we're gonna get one more drink from France, and then we're gonna get a spot for the fireworks. So yeah, excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, got him.
Can't remember the name of it. Some French name.
Some frozen
Rose slush. I don't know what's going in here. It looks quite nice, so. That's really nice. That's
Would you rate that?
I give it a 4 out of 5. A bit too sweet for my liking, but it's not too shabby.
Yeah, I'd say 4 as well. It's not bad. It's not awful either.
No, it's a bit too sweet.
It's better that it's a slush.
Yeah.
That's what makes it better.
More than a slush, no good.
But it was from France and it was like $14.99.
Yeah.
I'd say it's one of the dearer ones that we've had today.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not bad. It's pink, it's cute. But yeah, we're going to enjoy this now and watch the fireworks. That was so
100-metre
good.
dash running back. That's probably the best fireworks I've ever seen.
Did you say ride?
What?
What did you say?
So that's the best fireworks I've ever
Oh,
seen.
I thought that's the best ride I've ever seen.
Those fireworks were like...
Back from Epcot now, back at the resort. We just filled up our mugs. Yeah, we've had a really good day today. Started off with Volcano Bay. That was nice and relaxing.
Yeah, the weather weren't too hot.
Yeah.
It's quite an overcast.
I think, yeah, that's what made it today, was the weather. It was
no
more
sun scorching.
yeah, it was more bearable. But yeah, so we managed to get 5 countries done. So we are going to go back to Epcot eventually and finish off the ones we didn't.
Yeah, I don't know what day we're going back, but we're going back on an afternoon.
Yeah, so my favourite drink I would say was from China, the Kung Fu Punch one we had at the beginning.
Yeah, that was really nice.
That was so nice, wasn't it?
With the Italian margarita.
Yeah, that was actually not bad considering I don't like margaritas.
Nice slushy.
But yeah, no, we've had a really good day. We watched the fireworks, which was amazing. And we also got a lightning lane because of Ratatouille broke down. So yeah, that was good touch. So
it's nice just to go back whenever you want.
Yeah, so we done that literally just before the fireworks. We got our last drink. But yeah, no, we've had a really good day today. So tomorrow we've got Magic Kingdom and we've got our storybook dine-in, so looking forward to that. But yeah, we've just got back into the room and it is lovely and airconned. But yeah, yeah, overall a really good day. Oh, and we also done the Three Amigos after our dinner reservation, which was really good because finishing dinner and then going straight onto a ride was really lovely. Not having to walk anywhere. And we also got on Cosmic Rewind, which I think we mentioned before, but yeah, overall amazing day. So yeah, we'll catch you in the morning and yeah, we'll see you in Magic Kingdom. Bye.
Gonna sing down under the water, under the water. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing.